Okay, this is chapter 14, lesson 2. It says polygons. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure formed by three or more straight sides that do not cross each other. So if I'm looking at the geoboard, okay, I need to have at least three or more, right? So that's one side, two sides, and one more. Three sides. Okay. It says it has to be closed, right? So this triangle that I made, or this figure that I made, is this closed?
No.
No. So is it a polygon?
No.
No, it isn't. In other words, all the sides have to be closed. Okay? And it's three or more, so I could use as many sides as I can to make that polygon. But it has to be closed. Okay? It has to be closed. This is not a polygon. Because is that closed?
No.
No, it isn't. Okay? It says you can classify polygons using one or more of the following attributes. An attribute is a characteristic of a figure, the number of sides and the number of angles. So the number of sides, this particular polygon has how many sides?
Three.
Three. Okay. How many angles? Here's 1, 2, 3 angles. The number of angles is the same as the number of its sides. So if it has 3 sides, it's probably going to have 3 angles. Okay. And this is called a triangle. Yeah. Okay. Look at the example number 1. It says, look at the soccer ball. The blue shape outline is in white. It is a polygon, right? So this shape right here, that's a polygon because it is closed, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And this is what they made. They made a pentagon. How many sides does a pentagon have?
Six.
Pentagon.
5.
5. 1. Okay, 5. 5. It has 5. So again, it has 5. So look at the other figure at the soccer ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a pentagon is a polygon. It says, look at the soccer ball. The blue shape outlined in white is a polygon. Describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. The blue shape outlined in white has how many sides?
5.
How many sides?
5.
5. And how many angles?
5.
5. So again, the same number of sides, they're gonna have the same number of angles. All right. So that's called a pentagon. Okay. Look at example number 2. The road sign shown is a polygon. Describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. The road sign has how many?
8.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 8 sides, so it should have how many angles? 8 as well. So this sign is the sign is an octagon. Like this. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we need this. this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is also a octagon. Okay, and this particular shape does not look like the one in the picture, right? Okay, but it still has 8 sides, right? Yes. Okay, this is a polygon chart. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. Okay, if I have 3 sides and 3 angles, what am I? A triangle. If I have 4 sides and 4 angles, it's quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Okay, that could be a square or any shape that has 4 sides. Okay, not like a square or what else? What else has 4 sides? Another shape. So I just said a square, but what another? A diamond, or it's called a hexagon has 6. A rectangle, perfect. That's what I was looking for. A rectangle. Okay. Okay. If the shape has 5 sides, pentagon. If it has 6, hexagon. If it has 8, octagon. Okay. So, just like this chart, you have one that's inside your on one of your math folder. That looks like this. If it has 3 sides and 3 angles, is a triangle. If it has 4 sides and 4 angles, is a quadrilateral. Sometimes you might say it's a square, a rectangle, a diamond. Sometimes we call it a trapezoid. All right. If it has 5 sides and 5 angles, it's a pentagon. If it has 6 angles and 6 sides, hexagon. If it has 7 angles and 7 sides, it's a heptagon. If it has 8, octagon. If it has 9, it's called a nonagon. Okay, and it has 10, it's called a decagon, because dec, okay, or deca means 10. Okay, that's where we get like decimal, D-E-C-I. Okay, it means 10. Look at the guided apprentice. It says, describe the shape of the sign below. Determine the number of sides and angles, then classify. So first I have to count them. How many sides does this have?
3.
3. Okay, how many angles does it have?
3.
3. So what is it?
A triangle.
Based on my chart,
Triangle.
I have 3. It's a triangle. Three sides, 3 angles is a triangle. T-R-I-N-G-L-E. Okay. Triangle. The next page. Now let's do number 2. I count the sides, right? How many sides does that one have? 8 does. So 8 sides and 8 angles. What's it called?
Octagon.
Octagon. Eight sides, 8 angles is O-C-T-A-N. T-A-G-O-N. Octagon. Number 3
5.
has 5 sides and 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if it has 5, it's called a
Pentagon.
pentagon. Okay. This one has how many sides? 6. How many angles of it? 6, and it's called a
Hexagon.
and then 5, obviously.
3.
It's just this one right here, okay? It's this shape. 3 sides and 3 angles, so it's a
Triangle.
tri, because tri means 3. You know, like a tricycle? Has how many wheels?
3.
Three. And number 6.
4.
So see, that's this side, this side, this side, and this side. So that's 4. Okay, and 4 angles. Now, what is this particular one called? You could write quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral. Quad means 4, okay, and lateral means sides. So how many sides? 4 sides. Okay, this also has 4 sides and 4 angles. What can I call that? A quadrilateral too, or I can call a square. This I could call a quadrilateral or a number 6. Is that a square? A square has to have all the sides of the same length. Number 6, is that a square?
No.
What would you call it then? Rectangle. Not a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. This one has 4. Now look at 8 and 9. Okay. I have to draw a triangle. How many sides would I need?
3.
I can do that one. I can do it like this. Doesn't really matter how, right? I have to have 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. And a quadrilateral,
Square.
I can make a square. What else can I make? A rectangle. I can make one of those. I can make one like this. I can make one like this. Or I can make a perfect square. Right? Any shape like that, but it has to have how many sides though?
4. And 3.
How many sides? For number 9? 4. And for number 8, it has to have how many? 3.
Two-dimensional figures. Mary noticed that all stop signs are figures that have 8 sides. The shape of the stop sign is a polygon. A two-dimensional figure, or plane figure, has length and width. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure of 3 or more line segments and angles. Polygons are named by the number of sides they have. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. Describe the polygon. There are 8 sides and 8 angles. So it is an octagon. Let's try another one. Describe this polygon. There are 5 sides and 5 angles. So it is a pentagon.
Polygons, polygons, all on both sided figures. Each side is a 2 line, some are small and some are bigger. Polygons, polygons, are both shapes and any sided. Each side is a 2 line, but the shape is not defined. Polygons, polygons, all on both decided figures. Each side is like two others, some more small and some more bigger. Polygons, polygons, are both shapes and excited. Each side is like two others, but the shape is not divided. Every angle on the regular polygon is the same degree of measure, and the sides are all the same length when you join them all together. Polygons, polygons, all the sides are always straight lines. Everywhere that you see octagons, they